If you or a loved one are struggling with type 2 diabetes, you should visit the link in the description below. This clinically proven, drug-free program lowers blood sugar to a normal level and can completely reverse type 2 diabetes within just a few weeks. Here's today's video.
The question, is there any permanent cure for diabetes by using home remedies? Answer by Leanne Heisey. At present, there isn't yet any permanent cure for diabetes. Work by Professor Roy Taylor's group from Newcastle upon Tyne. Population response to information on reversibility of type 2 diabetes. And very low-calorie diet and 6 months of weight stability in type 2 diabetes, pathophysiological changes in responders and non-responders, and a follow-up by Professor Lean in a GP setting, primary care-led weight management for remission of type 2 diabetes, direct, and open-label, cluster randomized trial, demonstrated that in overweight type 2 diabetics about 50% would for the time being lose their diabetes by following a very strict 600 cal diet, adhered to for 3 months in the specialist setting, rest 6 months in the GP setting, losing 15%, 15 kilograms, of their body weight, and keeping it off by seriously adjusting their lifestyle afterward, preventing from gaining all the weight lost in the year afterwards, as happens to 90% of all who'd successfully lost weight. It transpired that those who reacted favorably to this strict diet lost the excess fat from their fatty pancreas and fatty liver following this diet, thus regaining the normal pancreatic and liver function. Unfortunately, it did happen in all participants that lost weight. For a discussion for lay people, please see Reverse Your Diabetes and you can stay diabetes free long term. Otherwise, forget all those mumbo jumbo magical home remedies which are all unproven. Answer by Julia Stelding. Many people are promoting a high protein diet for diabetics. This could buy you some time, but the reality is diabetes is a chronic progressive disease. As it progresses, it gets harder to control. The downside to high-protein diets is they will destroy your kidneys. Most doctors don't even tell you when your kidneys are going bad until it is way too late. Plus, most diabetics die of other causes before their kidneys fail. But we are going to see this shift in diabetic patients, so be careful what you follow. It may have side effects that you don't know. Bottom line, diabetes gets better when you lose weight. Whatever works for you to lose weight, that is the best solution for you. Answer by Spiro Coloris. I have a friend who went from diabetes and having his doctor shocked that he no longer had diabetes. He basically started exercising and eating a diet rich in complex carbohydrates such as fresh vegetables, legumes, beans, 100% whole grain breads, pastas and rice with some fruit. Not much, since some fruit can be high in sugar. He cut his meat intake as well and drank only water, herbal teas and coffee. No sugary beverages, no alcohol, no processed foods too, and he is not living diabetes free without prescribed medication to control it. Good luck.